Imagine biting into a raw onion and feeling the sting in your eyes and the sharp taste on your tongue. Now consider this. That very sensation marks the beginning of a profound transformation within your body, a series of effects that can significantly boost your health in ways you might not expect. Onions, with their pungent aroma and distinct flavor, are often considered just a culinary ingredient. However, beneath this sharp exterior lies a treasure trove of health benefits that are only beginning to be fully recognized and appreciated. From ancient remedies to modern science, the health advantages of onions have been celebrated across cultures and ages. In this exploration, we peel back the layers of this everyday vegetable to reveal its potent health-boosting properties. Onions are a rich source of vitamin C and B6, folic acid, iron, and potassium, but that's just the beginning. They also contain a significant amount of dietary fiber and a host of antioxidants, which play a crucial role in our health. Each of these nutrients contributes to bodily functions such as energy production, nerve function, and the maintenance of healthy skin and hair. Understanding the nutritional content of onions helps us appreciate their role not just in our diets, but in our overall health. Antioxidants are substances that can prevent or slow damage to cells caused by free radicals. Onions are loaded with antioxidants, including quercetin, which is known for its powerful anti-inflammatory and antihistamine effects. These antioxidants are not only crucial for combating oxidative stress, but are also essential for maintaining long-term health by preventing many chronic diseases. Onions have a wealth of heart-healthy benefits. They are known to reduce high blood pressure and lower cholesterol levels, both of which are risk factors for heart disease. Studies have shown that the sulfur compounds in onions can thin the blood, reduce heart attack risk, and improve overall cardiovascular health. Including onions in your diet can be a simple yet effective way to protect your heart. Perhaps one of the most compelling areas of onion research is its potential in cancer prevention. Onions are rich in sulfur-containing compounds that have been shown to play a role in reducing the risk of several types of cancer, including stomach and colorectal cancers. Research points to onions' ability to promote apoptosis or cell death in cancerous cells and inhibit tumor growth, making them a formidable food in the fight against cancer. Onions are a rich source of fibers and prebiotics, which are necessary for optimal gut health. These fibers help prevent constipation and promote regular bowel movements, while the prebiotics in onions support the growth of good bacteria in the gut. A healthy digestive system is linked to improved overall health, including a lower risk of digestive disorders and more effective absorption of nutrients from food. Chronic inflammation is at the root of many diseases, including arthritis, heart disease, and diabetes. Onions contain several anti-inflammatory compounds that help reduce inflammation throughout the body. Regular consumption of onions can alleviate pain and swelling, particularly in conditions like osteoarthritis and rheumatoid arthritis, by combating inflammation at its source. Onions provide several benefits for maintaining healthy skin and hair. The high sulfur content helps in collagen production, which is essential for healthy skin and hair. Topically applied onion juice has been found to help treat hair loss and promote hair regrowth. For the skin, onions can reduce acne and other skin inflammations thanks to their antibacterial properties. Recent studies suggest that onions may have beneficial effects on bone density. This is particularly important for postmenopausal women who are at a higher risk for osteoporosis. Onions have been shown to help prevent bone loss, and may even enhance bone density by influencing hormonal pathways that regulate bone mass. Onions are a low-calorie food that is high in nutrients and fiber, making them an excellent addition to any weight management diet. The fibers in onions can help you feel full and satisfied longer, reducing overall calorie intake. Furthermore, onions can increase the metabolic rate, aiding in weight loss and obesity prevention. The phytochemicals in onions act as powerful stimulants for the immune system, enhancing its ability to fight off infections. Vitamin C, also abundant in onions, is well known for its immune-boosting capabilities. Including onions in your daily diet can ensure your immune system is primed to ward off pathogens effectively. Onions contain compounds that have been shown to help regulate blood sugar levels, making them a beneficial food for people managing diabetes. These compounds help increase the production of insulin, the hormone responsible for regulating blood sugar. Studies have demonstrated that regular consumption of onions can help stabilize blood sugar levels, which is crucial for preventing the complications associated with diabetes. While often overlooked, the psychological benefits of onions are notable. They contain folate, which helps with depression and aids in preventing excess homocysteine from forming in the body, which can prevent blood and other nutrients from reaching the brain. Incorporating onions into your diet can also help enhance mood and reduce stress levels, contributing to overall mental health. The layers of an onion reveal much more than a pungent aroma and sharp taste. They disclose a spectrum of health benefits that can play a significant role in maintaining and enhancing our health. From reducing the risk of chronic diseases like heart disease and cancer to boosting our immune system and managing our weight, onions offer a simple yet powerful solution for a healthier life. Let the humble onion be not just a background flavor in your kitchen, but a forefront defender in your health arsenal. Embrace its potency and let the transformation in your health begin. Don't forget to smash the like and subscribe buttons and also click on the notification bell to be the first to know when I drop a new video. If you find value in my videos, you can show your support through PayPal or Cash App. The link are in the descriptions. See you next time.